Today I want us to look at this topic, circles, and in circles we are dealing with chords and tangents. Now, what are chords? Chords, or a chord, is a line that divides a circle into two parts. You can have a major segment and a minor segment. If this is my circle, then this one can be my chord. This one we call it a minor segment, and this one is called a major segment. So this is what we call a chord. Now we can have a diameter, which is a special chord that divides a circle into two equal segments, and we call them semicircle. If you have your circle like this, and this one here, we call it the diameter, which is a chord that this one divides a circle into two equal semicircle. Now, if that is a chord, then we check. We have intersecting chords. We can call them intersecting chords. Now, chords can intersect internally or externally. Let's start with A. We have chords intersecting internally. Consider this diagram. If this is my circle, then I have two chords that are intersecting internally in a circle, and we can label this to be A, X, D, B, and C. We say that if you take length AX, you multiply by length XD, should be equal to length CX multiplied by length XD. This one applies when the chords are intersecting internally. In mathematics, this dot means multiplication. What about chords intersecting externally? We have chords intersecting externally. Again, consider this circle here, like this. If you have two chords that intersect externally that way, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and this is E. If I have such kind of chords that are intersecting externally, we say if you take this length AB, you multiply by length DB, should be equal to length CB multiplied by length EB. That is how you relate the length when the chords are intersecting externally. Then finally, we have a secant and a tangent. This one, a secant is a line that passes through a circle, and a tangent is a line that touches a circle at a point. Consider this circle here. Consider this circle. If that is a line, and we have another one like this one, then this one here is called a secant, and this one here is tangent, like that one. So if this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, then how do you relate the length? We say that if you take AC, length AC, you multiply by length BC, this length should be equal to DC squared. That is how you relate when you have a secant and a tangent. We are saying length AC multiplied by length BC should be equal to length DC squared. Now, those three are very important. So make sure you know we are going to follow this up with examples. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in our next lesson.